Hello viewers, yesterday Google launched a new experiment called Whisk. This tool uses images and AI to help you create and remix ideas. Right now Whisk is only available for testing in the US. Since I am not there, I will explain how it works using some screenshot from Google announcement. Instead of trying long text prompt to create images, Whisk lets you drag and drop up to 3 images. One for the subject, one for the scene, and one for the style. The app then combines these images to create something unique. Here what's happened behind the scene. Google's Gemini AI writes detailed description of your images which are processed by another model called Gemini 3. Whisk is designed for unique idea exploration, so it is great for artists, designers and creatives. Keep in mind the result might not always be perfect. For example, it could change details like hair, color or style. But Google lets you edit the AI suggestions to make it more accurate. If you are in the United States, you can try Whisk by visiting the link in the description. If it is not available in your country yet, you can sign up to be notified when it is. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.